By the end of this lesson, I will be able to simplify expressions applying the rule for negative exponents. Essential question: how can I analyze mathematical patterns to create a rule for the laws of exponents? What does the rule say? It says that if you have a base that's being raised to a negative exponent, all you have to do is rewrite it by using the reciprocal. And the reciprocal is just really flipping it. The reciprocal. So what you would do is write the number as a fraction. Any whole number can be written as over 1. And then you flip it. So when you actually flip it, it's going to be 1 over a to the nth power. So notice that the powers change signs. So when you're flipping it, it changes from negative to positive. So let's take a look at this example here. We have 3 to the 4th power raised to the negative 1st power. I have a negative exponent. Again, all I have to use is the reciprocal, meaning flip it. Reciprocal. So instead of it being 3 over 4, all it's going to be is 4 over 3. And you could write it as a positive first power, but we know that in math, anything raised to the first power is just itself. So it's just 4 over 3. And you're done. Look at example number 2. It's a little bit different. It's 2 divided by y to the negative 10th power. So how can we rewrite this as two fractions? We have the whole number 2 times, you can write 2 over 1 times 1 over y to the negative 10th power. That's what it really means. It's just another way to represent multiplication. You can turn any fraction into a multiplication problem. So now we have this negative exponent again. We need to flip it. So when we change it, our problem is going to be 2 times y over 1 to the 10th power. Again, do we really need 1? Not really. All it's going to be really is 2 times y to the 10th. So really what happened is that it switched positions. Take a look at example number 2. X to the 5th power divided by x to the 10th power. So we have actually a double rule here. We have the quotient power rule, and it tells us to do what? Subtract the exponents. Again, x to the 5th minus 10. All you're doing is subtracting the exponents. So what's 5 minus 10? You can go back to your integer operations. It's going to be more negative. So it's 10 minus 5, which is 5. So your result will be a negative 5, because we know the operation is going to be negative. So it'll be x to the negative 5th power. Is that simplified? No, it's not, because we have this negative exponent. How do we rewrite that? Put it over 1. And now we flip it. 1 over x to the 5th power. Now what I would like for you to do is try these practice problems and pause the video. Thank you.